Protect yourself and your loved ones from legal services, frauds, and scams. I'm immigration attorney Christopher Gaston at the Gaston Law Firm in Stuart, Florida. Whenever we have a change in administration, change in the makeup of Congress, we can expect that policies, regulations, and laws are going to change. These circumstances are just the type of situation that makes it easy for individuals who want to commit fraud or scams to prey on unsuspected individuals, advising them that there are some opportunity that now exists or some change that will give them a benefit that doesn't actually exist in the law. One of the ways that individuals can protect themselves from legal services, frauds, and scams is to investigate the person with whom you're communicating. It's very unlikely, it's probably unlawful for a licensed attorney to contact you directly through social media or call you directly and say, I'm an attorney, I want to provide a legal service for you, whether it's you've inherited a fortune from a long lost relative, foreign relative in some other country, and they're looking for you. These things are highly unlikely. If you are contacted directly by somebody claiming to be an attorney, do your homework. If a person is a licensed attorney, they have to have a license with one of the state bars in a state within the United States or the federal bar. So what will happen is there's a website that each of the states and DC bars maintain, and you can go there and see the contact information for the person, their name, their bar number, and you can even look up their history to see if they've been disciplined for any legal misconduct. So that's a good first step. Another way is to go to the individual's website, go to Google, look at reviews, match the phone numbers, the pictures, the names, and the addresses. Make sure the person with whom you're communicating is actually authorized to represent the law firm. Call the number that is listed online to see if the individual is available at that number. A lot of the scams involve taking the information that's available online and replacing maybe a phone number or email address. So it appears legitimate initially, but the phone numbers don't match the phone numbers that are being advertised, or the email addresses don't match. And when you call the real numbers that are listed online, you find that the individual is not part of that law firm or not working for that law firm. So that's a good way to start. Investigate the individual who contacts you and make sure that that person and that law firm actually exists and there's a license and that's a real law firm, a real lawyer, a real person.